Hello everyone, welcome back to our SolidWorks course. In this new module, we would be learning about 2D sketching. What are 2D sketches, how do we generate them, and what is the importance of 2D sketches? First, let's take a look at what are 2D sketches. 2D sketches are nothing but a combination of several lines and curves that come together to form a 2D drawing. This 2D drawing or 2D sketch, as we refer to it in SolidWorks, is very important as it forms the foundation of every 3D component that you would be generating or creating in SolidWorks. So now it is pretty obvious here that in order to create our 3D geometries perfectly, we have to create the foundation perfectly. In order to create complex geometries, you need to master the art of sketching, as it is the first step in modeling your component. I will demonstrate the workflow used in SolidWorks with the help of a small example. I will show you how is the workflow and how do we move from 2D sketches to 3D components. Here on the screen, you can see that we have a very simple component with some simple features. Now, I will show you what this component was before we reached its final form, that is this one. We will roll back all our features until the first one, and here you can see that before we added any other features, this was just a plain cuboid, and this cuboid was generated using a rectangular sketch. I will show you that as well. We will click on boss extrude and go to edit sketch. Now we will set this normal to our screens. You can see here that the very first sketch that we created for this component was a rectangle, and we had given it the dimensions that we wanted. In this case, they were 77 by 66 millimeters. Once we had created this sketch, we moved to 3D by extruding our profile like this. You can see here on your screens that the rectangular sketch was extruded to a cuboid. Once we were done with that, we went on adding one feature at a time as we wanted, and then eventually that led to creating our final geometry, that is this one. I hope you got a gist of what are 2D sketches and how important they are. Also, with the help of this example, it should have been very clear how we move from 2D sketches to 3D geometries. In the next video, we will be learning about sketch entities and sketch tools. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.